Welcome to Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie and I'm here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And today I've got something really cool I want to talk to you about, which are the Daylight brand Duo lamps. And these are really great. So if you're looking for like an investment in your studio, you can't go wrong with this. We have this in 3 different varieties. We have a clamp-on version, which is great for like putting it on the edge of your table, or if you have a small workspace that you can't really commit to every day, you can take it on and take it off. We also have a desk lamp, which I'll be showing you today. And we also have a full-size floor lamp. All of them are really versatile and really fun. And I can't wait to show you this. So this actually has like a powerhouse of 56 different LED bulbs inside this, but it lasts forever. I've known people that have had some Daylight lamps that have never ever changed a bulb, and their lamps are years and years old. So don't ever worry about that. This has a cool AC plug-in that plugs into the base of the lamp here. And the way you turn it on is that the Duo has 2 heads. That's why it's got its name, Duo, right? The actual way that you turn it on is that you actually just touch the end with your finger. It doesn't have like a button per se. It just reacts to your finger touch. And then it has 4 different light settings depending on how many times that you touch it. So you touch it 4 times and then it turns back off. But the cool part is that you have 2 of these little puppies, right? So you can adjust each of these independently. And then the other cool feature is that you can actually move the light around to cover a very large space. This actually has a very flexible gooseneck on it, so you can position each of these differently to kind of flood a very large workspace. And like right here, I have a super large canvas up here with tons and tons of color, and you can see that I've got full visibility of this whole thing just with some simple adjustments and stuff like that. Or you can focus the light very specifically and then change the levels just with a touch. Then also turn it off just as easily. So the price points vary on these depending on whether you like the easel kind or this table one or the floor one, but these are all really reasonably priced. It is a solid investment in your studio area, in your workspace. Clean, warm, color correct light for very little money, and we know that you are going to enjoy.